If you're trying to choose between Krita and Clip Studio Paint, here's the quick breakdown after spending time with both. First, let's talk about Krita. The biggest advantage is obvious. It's completely free and open source. Despite that, it offers a surprisingly powerful set of digital painting tools. The brush engine is excellent, customization options are extensive, and it's a fantastic choice for illustrators, concept artists, and hobbyists who don't want to spend money. Now, Clip Studio Paint takes a different approach. It's a paid program, but it's packed with professional-grade features. It's especially popular among comic artists and manga creators, thanks to its panel tools, speech bubbles, perspective rulers, and animation features. The overall workflow feels more polished and efficient for serious production work. In terms of drawing performance, both are excellent. However, Clip Studio Paint generally has the edge when it comes to advanced features and workflow optimization. So, which one wins? If you're on a budget or focused mainly on digital painting, Krita is an amazing choice. But if you're creating comics, manga, or professional projects, Clip Studio Paint is probably worth the investment. The winner? It depends on your needs, but for most professionals, Clip Studio Paint takes the crown.